That's right, it's been a while, but it is, once again, Amazon tech unboxing time. So I've had enough drama with finding my unboxing knife in the past, so I literally just brought a box cutter. I don't have time to mess around. So, time to open this guy. Not too many items on today's unboxing, but it is going to be interesting to test them out as well in this video. So let's take a look at the first item, which is a camera bag. This is something I decided to pick up because it's actually a sling bag. So it's really great if you're just kind of on the go. And I figure if I bring my camera in this, instead of the entire backpack I've got over there, then I'm definitely going to feel like using the camera more, just because it's easier to access and use. So here it is. It doesn't look terribly big, but what I think I'm gonna do is grab the camera off the tripod here, switch to filming with my phone, and kind of do a preliminary test on how things fit in here. There's been a couple different sizes of camera bag out there, but I just want to get a sense of how this one might work for my setup. Actually, before we do that, I figured I'd also open the other package just to get that out of the way. Or, you know what, screw it, I'm just using this thing. There we go. And inside we have memory foam ear tips for the AirPods Pro. Now, I may or may not have mentioned this in my refurbished AirPods Pro unboxing, but they don't really fit in my ear that well. So, especially the right ear, my ear canals are very asymmetric. So I was reading online about memory foam ear tips. So memory foam, it kind of forms to a certain shape and then stays in that shape to kind of just form to whatever kind of space it's in. That's why a lot of mattresses have memory foam. So I figured I'd give these a shot, see if there's a better fit. Because if I just talk too much or like shake my head, the right earbud just kind of like slowly falls out, and it's ended up on the floor a number of times. So I'm gonna give these a shot as well. So let me just open them up real quick and see what the dealio is. There we go. Okay, so there's like a package in a package. Seriously? Okay, so they want you to cut here. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Now we're talking. Got rid of all that. And now here are the ear tips. So let's kind of give these a look. You know what, I'll probably test these first, just since I already have the camera set up. So let me grab my AirPods Pro. Okay, so it looks like there's 3 different sizes. There's the small, the medium, and the large. Okay, so in case you weren't aware, the traditional kind of way all other ear tips are done is not how it's done on the AirPods Pro. They use a proprietary mounting system like this. So that's why these earbuds are, or ear tips rather, are special. So I'm gonna try out the small ones first, just kind of give those a look. So they fit on there really nicely. Oh, and you can already see the memory foam working. Yeah, there you go. And honestly, I like them better black. I didn't need to have them, you know, white or anything, because they look pretty good in the black colorway. And, you know, if it stays in my ear better, I don't really care what color it is, to be honest with you. So let's kind of get this one on too. Man, these are good. Oh, and you can you can see it working already. All right, let me take these for a test drive. So the key thing is you kind of have to let the memory foam adjust like to the shape of whatever it's in. So in this case, my ear canals, I can't really hear myself much right now. I guess that's a good sign if you think about it. Okay. Oh yeah, this fits way better. Okay, now we're talking. Let me just play some music. See how the sound is. It's not going to fix the fact that these sound like AirPods Pro, but sounds pretty good. Well, for $10 and 50 cents, that is a worthwhile purchase in my opinion. Especially since I spent over $200 on the AirPods themselves, so $10 to make it fit, I'll take that all day. Okay, I've now switched over to my phone to test out the camera bag with my camera. So hopefully this is not a terrible solution for my particular camera system, but we'll just see. And sorry if anything's like slightly out of frame. I'm recording on the rear camera, so I can't actually see what I'm recording, but hopefully we get the gist across here. Just a little bit of paper in here to maintain the shape. So it looks like there's kind of like 2 compartments and then a couple things on the side here. Not a ton of room considering this is what I've got. So if I need a different size camera bag, I will get one, but just as a test, I'm gonna see if I can fit this in here. And I need my lens cap, which is somewhere under this mess. Okay. So here we go. Okay, so that works, technically. Like the camera fitting in this way just is never gonna work. It's just gonna take up too much space. So putting it kind of facing up like this, or actually, this is a better idea. Taking off the lens. That's probably going to be the move. So let me just do that. Okay, so camera and lens have now been disconnected. And let's see if the camera kind of fits in this spot. Does it fit? Okay, so that's good actually. So the camera fits in this smaller side pocket just on its own. So then what can I fit other than that in here? So let me just grab like another lens really quick. So here's a lens that I would probably take out run and gun shooting with something like this. This is my Canon EFS 10 to 18 millimeter lens. So this is my vlogging lens. Definitely something you need in a run and gun scenario. So that fits really well in here. I just want to try this out. This is my super telephoto lens. Would that fit in here? Ooh, it would. Oh, it would. Barely, but it would. So kind of camera and 2 lenses fit in here really well. Or the camera, a lens, and I'm guessing a microphone would too. Let's see. Yeah, not really actually. And that microphone is not fitting in. Well, it is very small, I do have to say. Anything good I can fit in these outer pockets? I doubt it. Okay, well, this is certainly a very small bag, but like a camera and 2 lenses, that's good, but for video, I really need kind of a microphone kind of situation. So I don't know about this, to be honest with you. And something I should also mention, it looks like you can adjust the placement of this divider, but it can only go closer to this side. It's just using Velcro. Okay, well, certainly this would be a better solution for something like a point and shoot camera, but for me, I don't know if this is the right bag. Yeah. Well, anyway, I think I may have to return this. So that's not ideal, but what I will say is that definitely stay tuned for the channel, get subscribed, because I will be doing a what's in my camera sling bag video once I do get a bag that kind of works better for me. Definitely that's going to be something on the table. So stay tuned for that, get subscribed, as I said, Follow me on Twitter as well at KyleGNew, and check out the playlist. Link in the description of all the other Amazon tech unboxings I've done. And yeah, hopefully I'll be doing some more stuff with this gear. As I mentioned, what's in my camera sling bag coming soon, as well as my full refurbished AirPods Pro review. So definitely stay tuned for that. Loving these guys so far. I've used them a little bit, so watch out for that. As I mentioned, get subscribed. Sorry this outro is so long. I don't know what I'm doing this morning. See you in the next video.